Detox. What do you
Detox.
think?
So, so it's all a little bit of a joke in reality, but we have to play along. So, so suddenly, after running 7% deficits, we have to pretend that we care about the deficits. Um, Look, I'm gonna just say one thing that was kind of missed um, out of the it wasn't really absorbed. So first of all, I think by now people realize that Trump repeated many times that he's not concerned about the market reaction around tariffs and not doesn't care about the market much. But he says always, I don't care about the market much, but actually he cares. The one thing that they do say, Scott, Bessent said it many times, he said, well, we want lower rates, we're focused on the 10-year, and we want to increase the desirability of treasuries. And lately he said, oh, we're focused on Main Street. So what we're doing is we're trying to rebalance the economy. Now, you want to you have to think, why are they so obsessed about this bond market all of a sudden? I think there was a really interesting interview with JD Vance back in September 24 with Tucker Carlson. And he made it very clear that if he and Trump won the election, he said it won't be smooth sailing for 4 years due to the risk of spiking interest rates. So here's what he said. He said, I really worry about do the bond markets, do the international investors, the people who are getting rich off globalization, the people who got rich from shipping our manufacturing base to China, the people who got rich from a lot of wars, do they try to take down the presidency by spiking bond rates? So this is what he said before the war, before the election. He basically said that he's afraid the bond market is they're gonna try to take down the president by spiking the bond rates.
There's Liz Truss.
So yeah, Liz Truss moment. So they're afraid of the Liz Truss moment. So okay, so they're all coming in with this conspiracy theory in their mind, which is great, fine. So how do you prevent a spike in bond rates? Well, you kill inflation. And how do you kill inflation? Well, you can only kill inflation by cutting government spending, which they're pretending to do. You can kill inflation by ending wars, which, I mean, to be fair, he's trying. You kill inflation by engineering a slowdown. And also, you can kill inflation nowadays by reducing the wealth effect. And nowadays, the stock market is so important that you basically, if you kill the bond market, if you kill the equity market, you kill the wealth effect. And you're going to really detox the monkeys that are playing with zero DTAs all day, right? So that's a proper detox. Like if you margin call everyone, that's a detox. So